Thanks for going on that journey with me this morning. As you can tell, my mornings tend to be a little hectic between Brian, Gabriel, 3 dogs, and a senior cat, and myself. It's often hard to get everything done. So what I wanted to share with you in today's video was the BlendJet, which is my favorite on-the-go portable blender. I use this when I am running out of time or just don't have time to get my green smoothie. This is a good alternative. I'll just throw everything in here and then run out the door. And usually when we stop at either a stoplight or at Gabriel's school, I hit the little button here and it blends. Not only is it portable and super functional for us on-the-go folks, but it also comes with this really great charger. And so literally, I charge this up on my way to school and from school, and that's about as much energy this baby needs. I always keep it charged. You plug this in. I plug this into my little car charger port, and it's awesome. So you can buy this online. I'll include the link down below. $39.95 online. It is so invaluable. And in fact, a lot of women and moms make baby food, and even folks for weekend adventures and tailgating, they'll make cocktails out of this. I just want to show you the top of this. This is a strainer, so you can make margaritas or Bloody Marys in this if you want to. Not always the healthiest, but it's definitely great for on the go. I wish I would have had one of these when we had Gabriel as an infant and when he started eating food. I could have easily pureed food at restaurants in this bad boy. The BlendJet is such a great gift for not only yourself, but also anybody that's coming up here on their holiday list. So I'm super excited to share this with you, and I'm grateful for their sponsorship of this video because sometimes on-the-go moms need a break, and this totally lets me stay healthy, eating well on the go without compromising our healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned for our next video where I'm going to be providing you more health and wellness resources so you can live a healthier lifestyle. See you later.